This 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air is a beautifully modified classic that blends vintage styling with modern performance upgrades. Finished in deep black, this two-door hardtop commands attention with its sleek lines and timeless design. The chrome bumpers, hood ornament, and polished trim give it a striking contrast, while the dual exhaust outlets hint at the power lurking beneath the hood. The car rides on 15-inch chrome American racing wheels wrapped in Mickey Thompson Sportsman SR tires, perfectly complementing its lowered stance. The suspension has been upgraded with air springs, and power steering ensures a smooth and controlled driving experience. Stopping power is provided by Wilwood four-wheel disc brakes with slotted and drilled rotors, giving this classic muscle car the braking performance it deserves. Step inside, and you're greeted with a stunning red and white interior that pays homage to the Bel Air's iconic styling. The bench seats are upholstered in white vinyl with red fabric inserts, extending to the door panels and rear seats for a seamless, classic look. The retro-look digital stereo is paired with aftermarket audio components mounted in the trunk, offering modern sound in a vintage setting. A Hurst shifter adds to the performance feel, while the aftermarket steering wheel sits on a tilting column. The dash retains its classic layout, featuring a 110 mph speedometer and additional auto gauge readouts below for vital engine metrics. A tachometer with a shift light is mounted for quick reference, giving the driver full control over the car's performance. The odometer shows 48,000 miles, though the true mileage is unknown. Under the hood, this Bel Air is powered by a small block Chevy V8 that has been built for both power and reliability. It breathes through a Holley 4-barrel carburetor mounted on an Edelbrock high-rise intake manifold, delivering strong throttle response and classic muscle car sound. AFR aluminum cylinder heads and an MSD ignition system enhance performance, while Doug's long tube headers feed a dual exhaust system for an aggressive rumble. Cooling is handled by a Griffin aluminum radiator with an electric fan, ensuring the engine stays at optimal temperature even under hard driving conditions. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a 5-speed manual transmission, giving the driver full engagement and control. This combination of classic styling, modern upgrades, and raw power makes this 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air a truly exceptional machine, built to turn heads and deliver an unforgettable driving experience. Whether cruising down the highway or parked at a car show, this modified Bel Air is a stunning tribute to one of Chevrolet's most iconic models.